Every fursuit needs a fastener, and in today's tutorial, I will teach you how to machine sew an invisible zipper. When completed successfully, this method hides the zipper within a seam or marking without use of additional fabrics. Today we will be using a molded separating plastic zipper. These zippers have larger, sturdier teeth than those you will find on an invisible zipper. Invisible zippers, as you will find them in stores, have delicate ribbons and small teeth. They are often used in purses and handbags. First, cut the fur and sew any markings. The smaller the sections you have to maneuver, the easier zipper installation will be. I like to place my zippers in the center seam, but you can install your zipper in a side seam, in a marking, or in another location, wherever you'd prefer. If any markings cross the future path of your zipper, you can trim them down so sewing is easier. I like to use quilting clips when I sew. I spent $6 for this box of 100. If you spend more than that, you're being ripped off, so don't buy these brand name. Next, open your separating zipper and place it on the nice or face side of the fabric, where the fibers are. To achieve the invisible look, we are going to flip the zipper and sew it upside down. If you are installing the zipper in the center seam, this means the teeth will face the armpits. When positioning the zipper, I like to tuck the fur. This makes sewing easier and the final look cleaner. I like to use a zipper foot when I'm installing a zipper. A zipper foot is designed so that you can sew close to the zipper teeth without damaging them. If you don't have access to a zipper foot, you can still machine sew a zipper. If I only have a standard sewing foot, I like to use a zigzag stitch. The zigzag stitch ensures that my zipper is attached to the fabric underneath. Here you can see me using a zipper foot. With my zipper foot, I sew a straight stitch. A straight stitch close to the zipper allows for that invisible look. If you sew too close to your zipper, you won't have room for your zipper pull, which means you won't be able to close your zipper. An optional step, but I like to go in and add a second zigzag stitch to my zipper edge. I think the final look is cleaner, and the trapped fur is one less thing for your zipper to get snagged on. If you don't want to sew a second stitch, trimming the seam will serve the same purpose. Now that our zipper is sewn, it's time to assemble. Flip the teeth so that they are facing inward, and close your zipper like a standard zipper. As we close the zipper, the fur fibers are pulled over the opening, concealing it. This first closing might be a little difficult due to slight warping. A large amount of warping is not typical. If you are experiencing this, it's because your fabric was pulled too tight while sewing. After we close our zipper, give it a good brush. This will release any trapped fiber. It's normal to see a slight seam line, but you should not see any zipper teeth. And that's it! You've machine sewed an invisible zipper. I hope that helped.